Hi guys, Tony Hayes here, and what you see in front of you is WordPress Backlink Commando, which is a new tool that we've created this week, and it's actually a very good tool. I might have in my own mind sort of underestimated what this was until I started to use it myself just this morning. It's an incredibly powerful tool because what it does is it will create IFTTT accounts for us, and we can create unlimited IFTTT accounts now. We don't need to go over to Fiverr.com to get people to create them for us, and they're created in minutes, and we can use as many as we want to do some very good automated hands-free set and forget SEO strategies. Okay, some very good ideas I've got from just playing around with it this morning when I was doing the tutorial videos, and I just forgot probably just how powerful the IFTTT stuff is, as long as we've got that automation for getting the accounts done. And I'll give you some examples, and I'll tell you a little bit about what we've got coming up in this for this particular tool, because I'm going to take this a lot further. I just got so many ideas what we can do with it. Okay, so what you can see in front of you is basically I've created some recipes, and this has all been done using the account creator that we built in, and then just creating the recipes in here. And what the account creator does is once it's created the accounts, you can basically just come over to the account creator here, and you can click on, once the accounts are created and you've verified the emails and stuff, you click on this start setting up IFTTT accounts, and that connects all of these accounts into your IFTTT.com account that it created first of all. Okay, and to create the accounts is really easy. You just click on where it says bulk account creator. As long as you got some proxies and as long as you got some captures, you can go and create maybe 10 at a time. I do normally about 10 at a time when I'm using our account creators, and basically we can just create them at one time, and then we can do a bunch of automation strategies that once they're set up is really one time set up, and you don't have to touch it again. Okay, very powerful. So what we can do with these as well, I mean, we can just go and save these accounts. We don't ever have to lose the accounts. We can just click on the save and create a desktop folder and just call it IFTTT accounts, for example, and just give it a name. Just put, what I usually do when I'm saving these actually is just put I've got four accounts, so all four are being saved at one time in that one particular account. Okay, now what we found is that when we're creating the accounts first of all, and if you're creating them in bulk, it's a little bit too fast in between creating each profile, that Reddit and LinkedIn seem to fail. If you give it 15 minutes, what I did is just created one, give it 15 minutes, then I created another and give it 15 minutes, and you can see I'm getting success. So we need to inbuild a sort of automated delay of 15 minutes in between creating the profiles. But literally all we have to do here is just choose this at the top here, create emails and accounts, and click on the profiles after you've chosen the number, and that's all you have to do. It will verify the emails and everything for you in the background as well, and then click on start setting up accounts so that it connects it into your IFTTT account, and all of that is done in the background. What it cannot do is YouTube accounts, it cannot do blogger accounts, and it cannot do Facebook accounts. So what you can do then, once you've got this set up, is you can double click where it says IFTTT, and you can grab your username and password and just go to your browser and log into IFTTT, go and connect Facebook, and go and connect YouTube, and connect a blogger account. Okay, now you can get someone on Fiverr to do you about 50 Facebook PVA accounts, or I don't know how many actually, I haven't even checked, but you can get a bunch of Facebook PVA accounts done. PVA means form verified accounts, and that will give you a bunch that you can get started with. Now for YouTube and Blogger, I always advise to use your own YouTube accounts. Okay, and what we're able to do with this tool is do some automated syndication from WordPress and from YouTube as well, and I put in 4 strategies right away that we can use, and these are pretty clean white hat syndication going on. But what this allows us to do with these strategies is that we can use our branded accounts, we can use our personal accounts, and we don't need to worry about them looking spammy at all, because it's just gone from WordPress to all these other sites like Delicious, Deagle, Tumblr, etc., etc., and it's getting some syndication every time you make a WordPress post. Okay, same thing happens with YouTube. When we're using YouTube Authority, it does that as well. And we got a couple that says WordPress Blogger and YouTube Blogger, and all that's doing is when you post from WordPress or from YouTube, is making a post to Blogger first, and then from Blogger to everywhere else. So then Blogger becomes like a first tier kind of site that's taking all the links, and that way we've got some good syndication. It's clean syndication. It's pretty white hat. There's nothing crazy about it. There's no link rules or interlinking or anything like that going on. Now, what I'm doing is I'm going to add another 6 different strategies in here. We're going to do one for Facebook so that we can do that one in big amounts, really big amounts, because Facebook fan pages can take a lot of links, and they rank pretty fast as well. So we're going to build one for Facebook fan pages to be the syndication point, and we will do some additional ones over the next I don't know how long, but I guarantee we will do another 6 strategies in here. I was going to do one a month, but I think we can do them quicker than that. But I'll take some feedback from customers, and we can build these pretty quickly, because we're able to build these sites out very, very quickly. Now we've got a sort of formula. My coder has a formula to do it really fast. Okay, now once you've got your accounts created, you can just choose from here which account you want to use. And I've already connected the Blogger and the YouTube and the WordPress and stuff like that for this particular account. So when I run this, it was very quick, very easy. And I can click on it now. It won't create the accounts again because they're already created, but it will just tell me the accounts already created. So if you do miss any, or if you've got some accounts or some of the Facebook or Twitter or whatever accounts not connected properly, what will happen then is that it will go and check the accounts. If the account's already been created, it will give you this message here. If it hasn't been created, it will create one. So it never creates the same account, the same recipe 2 times. Okay, is what I'm saying. So it can save you a bunch of hassle. Okay, now one thing that we've added from previous similar tools that we did is that we've added this ability to add a link within the description inside the IFTTT sort of content settings area. Every time you create a recipe in IFTTT, which a recipe is something like, if I make a post to Blogger, then bookmark it with Bitly, or if I make a post on WordPress, then bookmark it on Deagle, etc., etc. Those are called recipes. And inside every recipe IFTTT, I've got what they call ingredients. So they always have an HTML, the href here, and they always have IFTTT and a link to ifttt.com. We decided it would be better if we hijacked that, and so we can put in additional links here as well. So you can see, as an example here, I put in my YouTube channel, and I can put in any text that I want as well. So I can put like, check out my YouTube channel, okay, something like that, and basically that will fill in automatically inside this particular HTML. You don't have to know anything about HTML. So I could put in, check out my let's put SEO training YouTube channel, something like that. Okay, and then when we create the recipes, that gets added in as well. So every piece of syndication is giving you an extra link into your channel homepage as well. If you want to use channels, you can use a fan page. It would work really, really well with fan page as well. Okay, so that's basically how it works. I mean, it's a very, very powerful tool, and we've added some additional bits in here. You can use OnlyWire in here. You can just basically send from the WordPress post that you've done through to OnlyWire. This one for Chimp Feeder, you can mash up some different URLs. Maybe you want to take from your YouTube channels, RSS feed. You want to take from WordPress RSS feed. Even if you want to put an authority sort of website from someone else, you want to mix that with yours, you can do that and mash it into one feed. And where it says bulk ping here, it's not bulk ping anymore. We're using a different service. I just kept that name in there for now because it's short, and it stops us from getting wider, because we've got another 6 tabs to add in here over the next sort of couple of months or 3 months. And so it does RSS directory posting to 27 RSS directories, so you can get additional power from that as well. And the channel bookmarks tab here, basically what you've got is you've got only wire and you've got channel favoriting. So what this is for your YouTube channel. So if I put in my YouTube channel here and I click on load of videos, you see it will pull back the last 25 videos that I did. And if I want to, I can put in a username and password for whatever YouTube channel I want to use here, and click here, and I can favorite it. And by favoriting it, it's in the recipes already. If you've done it either YouTube Blogger or YouTube Authority, then if you favorite a video, Ifttt do that data run that they do every 15 minutes. They will find the new content uploaded or favorited, or if it's posted to your WordPress, and it will take that content and syndicate it according to the recipes that you've told in here. So that's what the channel bookmarks does for the favoriting. And you can also do channel the only wire bookmarking from videos you've already got on your channel as well. And that's a little bit different from this one, where you can put in any link whatsoever. In this one, it's just very handy, very convenient to be able to sort of load your videos and choose which ones you want to get bookmarked via only wire, and it will go and do it for you. Okay, so that's basically WordPress Backlink Commando in a nutshell. Now if you have a look at the sales page, which is here, what you're going to see is that it's not a salesy sales page, it's not hypey, it's done by an SEO guy for SEO people, okay? And you can see that we've got an overview video here, which I'm going to replace with this one I'm recording now, because we got an updated version. You can see we've got an image in here, but if you scroll down a little bit, you can see all the features, etc., and you can figure out, just how powerful this is. And I'm telling you why you should get it today, because there's some really compelling reasons that you're getting it really cheap as well. It's only $47, but only for 48 hours, guys. This is a subscriber only offer for those 48 hours. And then I'm taking it off until we do a proper launch. Now, we did have a launch plan for 25th of September, but we're only 4 days out. It's a little bit too soon to do that, okay? And here is very, very important. I want you to read this. If you want to consider taking this tool, make sure you read the planned updates, because these are going to happen pretty quickly before we do a launch. Now, we were planning on 25th. That's not giving me enough time to get some affiliates on board. The version that you buy today is going to be equivalent to the OTO version. And the last time we launched something similar to this, it was called Backlink Commando. It didn't have an account creator. I think the front end we were selling about $37, and then the OTO was $27, and then another OTO at $37. So by the time they'd gone through that, it was well over $70 or $80. This time we've got an account creator, and it's very, very, very powerful, okay? So you can imagine that the front end might be quite low to get people into the sales funnel for that particular launch, but as they go through the funnel, they'll be paying $37, $47 more each time for the OTO 1 and OTO 2. If you get it today, you're getting it one time for $47, and you get all of these planned updates, and these will be done within the next sort of 2 weeks, because we need to have it ready for a launch. I need to launch this one pretty quickly. I just want to get some more people into my training, into my funnel, and bulk up my email list. So we're going to do launches every month for the next sort of 6 months or so, for that purpose. Anyway, really powerful tool. It's far, far more powerful than what I'd imagined when I asked my coder to build this during the week. And luckily he's put this together really quickly. He's made the account creator. It's working really well. And the tutorial videos are recorded. I'll start adding those into the membership area in just a second after recording this. If there's any different videos to be done, I will add those in as well over the next couple of days. But for 48 hours, I'm just going to get this released, even if there's 1 or 2 videos missing for the additional tabs over here right now. I'm just going to get it released, and we can add those tonight, tomorrow morning, or whatever. But grab it now for $47. This is a real bargain. You're not going to find this at that price anymore. This really is a top quality software, really powerful. And by the time we've built on those additional strategies, and we've got some feedback, and we've worked out some really cool things that we can do with this, it just gets more and more powerful. It's it's just unlimited hands-free SEO automation. This is social SEO, getting video embeds and all that kind of cool stuff. And for 48 hours at $47, I would just grab this, guys. Really, just grab it now. Otherwise, you might be kicking yourself later. This is going to become a standard tool for a lot of people within our industry because it's just so good, especially now we got the account creator. Okay, so that's it. Your choice, you want to buy it or not. I would say $47. Just grab it, guys. It's good value, and no hype needed at all. Absolutely no hype needed at all. You can see the power of this if you've been doing SEO for any sort of length of time, and you don't really need me to give you hypey benefits to tell you, the benefits of getting backlinks and SEO, social SEO links, etc. It's pretty obvious, and it's all in your hands, but at the same time, hands free. Anyway, I'll see you later. Bye.